Palazzo Showcase transforms browsing into buying, empowering your customers to see your products in their homes, rendered with photoreal precision. Let us show you how. See something that doesn't fit? Remove it. Replace it with something from your catalog. Rotate it, place it exactly where it belongs. Every item rendered with accurate scale and lighting. Need something specific? Just ask Vinci. Our AI design assistant searches your full catalog and finds pieces that match the style and scale of your room. We don't just show a product, we show how it lives in a room. Palazzo maps every element so every piece fits. The result? A fully shoppable, photorealistic room, ready for your website and ready for purchase. Palazzo Showcase, the visual bridge between your catalog and their home.